What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best digital pianos in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you are looking to save a few dollars and still get solid quality, we say check out the Yamaha P71, the best budget digital piano that can be found on the market in 2021. As you may or may not know, the look and feel of the keys have a big impact on the way you play the instrument. The weighted keys on this fella are played more naturally and make it easier to switch to an acoustic piano. This keyboard goes a step further and also values the keys. This means that the keys at the bottom are never heavier than the keys at the top, just like the acoustic piano. The gradation function adds more realism to the keyboard. It is also worth mentioning that this is a complete set of 88 keys. As for sound, we have to start by saying that the term voices in the world of electric keyboards basically means tones. Sounds can be instrument tones or an effect. With this piano, you have 10 sounds, which includes samples from real Yamaha pianos. Of course, that doesn't mean this instrument actually sounds like a grand piano. Unfortunately, if you want the quality of the piano, you'll have to pay money for the piano. It should also be noted that this keyboard comes with pedals. One thing that every customer will want to keep in mind is that this is a fairly simple package. You have a piano and pedals, but no pedestal. Due to the price, it is difficult to find something that exceeds this option. The Yamaha P71 is very affordable and offers fully weighted keys, included pedals, and many other features you would expect from a more expensive piano. Although it's not perfect, the disadvantages of this instrument are quite small and will not prevent a budget buyer from buying it. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. Up next is the Yamaha P125, also known as the best beginner digital piano you can find on the market in 2021. This is an 88-key keyboard that uses a stepped hammer system to recreate the feeling of a traditional piano. This means that the keys feel heavier in the lower registers and lighter in the upper part, similar to an acoustic piano. The keyboard is touch sensitive, meaning that the volume changes depending on the intensity or softness with which the keys are played. Thanks to the onboard 4-speaker sound system, the P125 provides a rather good dynamic range, from the softest pianissimo to the loudest fortissimo. The device's medium touch sensitivity is considered optimal for most people. You can also choose a lighter or heavier touch to better suit your playing style. There are 4 touch sensitivity settings: hard, medium, soft, fixed. When the fixed setting is selected, you get the same volume regardless of the volume of the key pressing. The black keys have a matte coating, which makes them easier to touch when playing in high humidity and helps prevent mistakes, as fingers are less likely to slip off the matte surface. As for the sound, the device also includes organic piano elements that enrich the sonic output and make it more natural. Some of these elements are attenuation resonance, wire resonance, and shutdown simulation. The new stereophonic optimizer feature probably also contributes to the realism of the playing and listening experience. This feature is usually found on high-end pianos, making this fella stand out. One of the P125's major improvements is 10 new instrument sounds added in the 14 tones present in the P115. There are now 24 built-in tones that round up 6 sound compartments with 4 tone variations each. The number of polyphonic notes in the P125 remain the same with 192 notes, which is more than the average digital piano in this price range. Another significant improvement on the P125 is the newly redesigned speaker system. It has 4 speakers, 2 on each side, which is not something we often see in a digital piano in this price range. The device is light and was designed specifically to meet the needs of artists who are constantly on the move. All in all, without the digital piano loaded with accessories, the Yamaha P125 offers beginners everything they need to embark on a journey through the fantastic world of learning to play the piano. Good stuff. The next product on our list for today is the Casio Privia PX-770, aka the best mid-range digital piano available on the market in 2021. Casio has equipped this digital piano with a stepped hammer mechanism called Tri-Sensor Hammer Action Key 2. The 88 keys of this complete keyboard offer a nice dynamic thanks to the 3 sensors under each key. The production of each sound will depend on how you press the key, as on an acoustic piano. The PKS-770 also uses AIR sound technology, acoustic and intelligent resonator so that the sound radiates through the room in a multi-dimensional way. 3 options are available. The listen mode allows you to get acquainted with pre-recorded orchestras, as well as the role played by the piano. Lesson mode is a function dedicated to learning the piano, where you can exclude the right or left hand from the recording and play it yourself. In play mode, the orchestra completely follows you as you play with both hands. The Casio Privia PX-770 features 19 tones whose names appear above the keys, making it easier to see their selection. Thanks to the Casio PX-770, you can also have fun for a long time with the sounds of rock, modern, and jazz, as well as violins, harpsichord, vibraphone, or the sound of large organs. It's up to you to experiment with different ways of sounding and finding the one that best suits the song you choose to perform. This makes the instrument rather versatile. Also, for a piano of this range, we appreciate the imitation of ebony and the look of ivory on the keys. Furthermore, the touch of the keyboard is as soft as an acoustic piano. Overall, the product is great for beginners and mid-level players. It is powerful and enables a variety of playing styles, and its maximum polyphony of 128 notes guarantees a good sonic output. Thumbs up. Picking things up a notch, we bring you the Kawai MP11SE, the best advanced digital piano you can find on the market in 2021. Designed for the professional scene, the second edition of the Kawai MP11SE features a real wooden keyboard. The device just feels amazing under your hands. It contains 40 piano sounds reproduced on the sounds of the most famous concert pianos. The product offers a variety of adjustments and effects. The instrument allows you to adapt each piano sound to the circumstance and the desired repertoire. It is an ideal piano for the stage. For professionals, it'll satisfy musicians from all genres who are looking for a top-quality auxiliary instrument that is easy to transport. On top of all this, we're looking at one of the most beautiful stage pianos on the market. This device offers a wide range of concert, pop, and jazz pianos and a completely traditional upright piano, all perfectly tuned and equipped with pickups that suit a wide range of musical styles. Play original sounds or immerse yourself in the virtual technician section to adjust the piano to a T according to your needs. You'll be able to apply over 100 different effects before engaging in the preparation of the amplifier and speaker simulation. Also, you can fine-tune each tone with a wide range of ADSR parameters or enhance the overall sound with parametric EC. There are strings, cushions, bass, and other necessary studio quality sounds, useful for creating divisions and covers with an acoustic or electric piano or just for solo performance. This digital piano also boasts a large graphic LCD screen, 4 real-time control buttons that can be assigned, and a well-organized interface out of the box. The Grand Feel feature offers the most authentic musical performance experience ever provided by a stage piano. The longest keys, the longest pivot, and covers made of wood. There are 3 reasons why Kawai is a leader in the industry. The Kawai MP11SE stage piano has wooden keys and a hammer mechanism for perfect playing comfort. The harmonic imaging KSL sound mechanism enables the use of more than 40 different acoustic and electric pianos. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we present to you the Yamaha YDP-103 Arius, overall the best digital piano that can be found on the market in 2021. Our gold medalist for today is equipped with 88 tactical and weighted keys, 10 tones, a metronome, and other interesting features. A 12-watt amplification system ensures quite a natural and powerful sound. We like how the headphone connection is also available for quiet exercise. Furthermore, the device is equipped with a hammer gear mechanism, the GHS. We are looking at a high-quality keyboard that provides a natural feeling of playing, delivering the vibe of an actual acoustic piano. Now, as you already know, the sound of the piano is the heart of the digital piano. Rising to the sonic occasion, the Yamaha YDP-103 Arius uses the advanced wave memory sound synthesis and is able to optimally reproduce true piano sound. AWM is a digital recording method that records acoustic instruments and reproduces them digitally. Furthermore, the YDP-103 offers the sound of other instruments such as a harpsichord, organ, or even a full-string orchestra. The selection of tones is quite simple with just one key and a piano keyboard, so the surface is not overloaded with an unnecessary number of control keys. The device also contains a metronome, a great addition for beginners. To make it even easier to use, Yamaha offers an instrument app. Just connect the iPad via USB or the optional VLAN adapter. You can now easily control all the features that the YDP-103 offers through the app, as simple as a few clicks. The Yamaha series digital pianos from the Arius series feature piano sounds, a hammer-type keyboard, and 3 pedals. Once you start playing, you'll hear the sounds of a grand piano sampled in stereo. Also on the menu are 9 other sounds that you can combine using the dual mode function. Add to that the addition of 2 headphone jacks and you get an instrument that is perfectly suitable for your piano lessons. You'll get a premium performance and high durability with this fella, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.